What is it, Maddie? It is.
Yeah, and I think what are they saying? I think what they're concerned about is people don't want to have to work so hard and still be bored.
Can you shake it?
They don't want to have
Shake
to
it.
work so hard and still have to struggle so much. And that's
What do you think it is?
concern of everybody. You're spending more and more and more money and feeling like you're further and further behind. You know, so much is said about what my jumping into this arena does or does not bring to the table of politics.
Ross, what was that? Yeah, let's not touch that one, okay?
I like my job, and I'm not interested in being part of the government. And if you made up your mind that if the next person is nominated, will you vote for her or not? Well,
Shake, shake, shake.
I'm in this race because I'm believing that the person that I'm up for is going to take it all the way.
It's a big one. What do you think you got? You think you got a baby?
Yes, a baby present.
You got a little baby present.